Very warm good morning to all students and parents. Subject for today is maths. So students, take out your Smart Kids UKG Term 1 book, page number 60. Before, after, between. Look at the thing in each box given below. First, tick right the thing that is before the carrot. What is before the carrot? Brinjal. Tick right. Circle the thing that is after the mango. What is after the mango? Apple. Circle the apple. Cross the thing between the spoon and fork. What is between the spoon and fork? Bowl. Cross it. Now take page number 61. What comes before? What comes before 4? 3. Before 5? 4. Before 8? 7. What comes after? What comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 2? 3. What comes between? What comes between 6 and 8? 7. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. Now take your box line notebooks. We will write after, before, between in notebooks. What comes after? What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 18? 1, 9, 19. What comes after 3 to 32? 3, 3, 33. What comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. What comes after 1 to 12? 1, 3, 13. What comes after 8? 9. What comes before? What comes before 2? 3. What comes before 1, 0, 10, 9. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 1, 6, 16? 1, 5, 15. What comes before 1 to 12? 1, 1, 11. What comes before 2, 0, 20? 1, 9, 19. Now take next page. What comes between? What comes between 2 and 4? 3. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. What comes between 1, 1, 11 and 1, 3, 13? 1, 2, 12. What comes between 1, 7, 17 and 1, 9, 19? 1, 8, 18. What comes before 9 and 1, 1, 11? 1, 0, 10. What comes between 1, 5, 15 and 1, 7, 17? 1, 6, 16. Okay students, this was all for today. We will meet tomorrow in the next video. Till then, goodbye.